In this video, you'll learn how to send an email campaign using Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to create and send your email campaign efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp website address. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which allows you to manage your email campaigns. Next, look for the option labeled Create Campaign on the dashboard. Click on this link to proceed. You will be directed to a new screen where you can select the type of campaign you want to create. After that, find the Replicate button. This option allows you to duplicate a previous campaign if you want to reuse the content. Click on Replicate and wait for the system to load the details of your selected campaign. Once the campaign details are displayed, locate the To section. Click on this area to specify your recipient list. You will see options to choose from your existing lists or create a new segment. Next, click on Send To select the specific audience for your campaign. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select from various subscriber lists. Make your selection and continue by clicking the appropriate button. After making your selections, find the All Email Subscribers option. This allows you to choose to send the email to all subscribers on your list. Click on this option to confirm your choice. Then click on Save to ensure all your selections are stored properly. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. Make sure to wait for this message before moving on. Next, locate the From section to specify the sender's email address. Click on this area to choose the email address that will appear as the sender of the campaign. After selecting the sender's email, choose your email address from the drop-down menu. This ensures that recipients will recognize the source of the email. Once you've selected the email address, click on Save Again. Following this, click on Subject to enter the subject line of your email campaign. This is important as it will be the first thing your recipients see. Type in a compelling subject line and move on to the next step. Next, find the Send Time option. Click on it to set the time you want your email to be sent. You can either choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. After setting the send time, click on Send Now if you want to dispatch the email immediately. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to send the campaign. Once you confirm, click on Save to finalize your settings. This step is crucial as it locks in your configurations before the email is sent. Next, navigate to the Content section. Click on this area to review the email content and make any final adjustments if necessary. Then click on Edit Design to customize the visual aspects of your email. This includes adjusting images, text, and layout to ensure it looks appealing to your audience. After editing, click on Save and Exit to return to the main campaign settings. This action stores your design changes and prepares you for the final steps. Next, click on Send to initiate the sending process. A confirmation screen will appear summarizing your campaign details before final dispatch. Following this, click on Ready to Send to review everything one last time. This is your final chance to ensure all details are correct before sending. Finally, click on Send Out to complete the process. A message will appear confirming that your email is being sent. This confirmation indicates that your campaign is successfully in progress. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.